This is the new 2020 Porsche 911, 992 Carrera S, and Carrera 4S. The Carrera should have around 385 horsepower. The Carrera S will have 443 horsepower and 390 foot-pounds of torque. Performance: the Carrera S has a 0 to 60 time of 3.3 seconds and a top speed of 191. The Carrera 4S has a 0 to 60 time of 3.2 seconds and a top speed of 190 miles an hour. The Carrera S weighs 3,382 pounds with the PDK. The 4S weighs 3,487 pounds with the PDK. The Carrera S will start at $113,300. The 4S will start at $120,600. The 992 has a new 8-speed dual-clutch PDK transmission, while the 991's 7-speed manual will be available later in 2019. It saves 55 pounds over the PDK. 20% of 991 parts are carried over into the 992. The 992 is wider and is an inch longer than the 991. The 992 does look larger in person. Base wheel sizes measure 19 inches in front, 20 inches in rear. Massive for a base wheel. Fuchs wheels are new, produced by Fuchs. Flush-mounted door handles are new. For the first time, the horizontal light bar will be on every 911, not just the all-wheel drive models. The interior becomes more luxurious and features a touchscreen and, for the first time ever, a dedicated cup holder behind the gear shifter. Overall, the new 911 looks really good in person, but I still have a soft spot for the 993 Carrera S. If you liked this video, check out my other 2018 LA Auto Show vehicle previews. Consider subscribing to my channel, StickShiftStudios, for more automotive videos. Have a great day.